studio, I'm shacking up. I've been in my way, so me and Jesus, we've been catching up. Came up with a passion, my music, they've been blasted. Jesus took my baggage, won't be doing any.
Why don't we ever see hippos hiding in trees? Because they're really good at it. Laughs. Okay, let's dive right into the fascinating world of crypto arbitrage. Imagine being a savvy shopper, buying a snazzy new jacket in one shop, then selling it in another at a higher price. That's crypto arbitrage in a nutshell. You buy low on one crypto exchange and sell high on another. The difference in price, that's your profit. Yes, it's almost like printing your own money, but legal. There are a couple of ways to do this. There's spatial arbitrage, which is like selling your jacket in two different shops without actually moving it. Then there's triangular arbitrage. This one is a bit more complex, like trading your jacket for a hat, then the hat for a pair of shoes, and finally the shoes back for the original jacket. It's like a merry-go-round of profits. Now, what do you need to start crypto arbitrage? Well, firstly, you need Python. No, not the snake, the programming language. It's straightforward and has some great libraries. Speaking of libraries, you'll need CCXT for connecting to exchange APIs, NumPy for number crunching, and Pandas for data manipulation. It's like a toolbox for your crypto endeavors. Next, you'll need an integrated development environment, or IDE for short. Think of it like the workshop where you build your money-making machine. PyCharm or VS Code are great options. Lastly, you'll need accounts on multiple exchanges. After all, you can't sell your jacket if you don't have a shop. Now that you're all set, let's get into the nitty-gritty of coding your AI. First, install Python and the necessary libraries. Then, connect to two exchanges using CCXT. For this example, we'll use Binance and Coinbase. Once connected, you'll write a function to fetch the current prices of a cryptocurrency on both exchanges. Now the fun part begins. You'll calculate if there's a profitable arbitrage opportunity between the two exchanges. If there is, your AI will tell you where to buy and where to sell. If not, it'll simply say no arbitrage opportunity right now. But don't worry. Opportunities come and go like buses in New York City. Finally, you'll automate the process and monitor for opportunities. It's like having a personal assistant, but this one doesn't ask for a raise. Output, and voila! You've just dipped your toes into the world of AI-driven crypto arbitrage. From here, you can expand to more exchanges, implement more sophisticated trading strategies, and even incorporate machine learning models. Remember, the crypto market is like a roller coaster. It's thrilling, but it can also make your stomach churn. So start small, test thoroughly, and always keep an eye on the market conditions. And that's it, folks. Crypto arbitrage in a nutshell. It's like a game of Monopoly, but with real money. So go out there, make some trades, and remember, if you see a hippo in a tree, you're probably in the wrong business.
Passing up, studio, I'm shacking up. I've been in my way, so me and Jesus, we've been catching up. Came up with a passion.